Welcome to Alphabet City. This is the show that covers everything to do with Alphabet. Alphabet happens to own lots of companies like Verily, Chronicle, Waymo, and Google. I'm your guide, Ayaz Akhtar, and you are the magnificent audience. Today we're talking about a Gmail update, Meizu, and your comments. But first up, let's talk folding phones onto Galaxy Gateway. According to Bloomberg, Samsung's working on two more foldable phones. One would be a clamshell device, the other would fold like the Huawei Mate X. The clamshell would launch late this year or early next year. It would also have a screen on the outside. The Mate X-like device would be thinner than the Galaxy Fold. The report also mentions the Samsung Galaxy Fold has a problem. Apparently, after 10,000 folds, a crease will appear on the display. Bloomberg says Samsung is considering giving Fold owners free screen replacements. In case you forgot, the Galaxy Fold will be released on April 26th, starting at just $1,980. On to Uptown Updates. Dragonfly might not be dead. The Intercept published a report that said Google is still working on a censored search engine for China. The report said Google's own employees ran their own investigation and found updated code associated with a China search engine. Google issued a statement saying, "As we've said for many months, we have no plans to launch search in China, and there is no work being undertaken on such a project." If you use the Gmail app, good news. Smart Compose is rolling out now. The feature was originally limited to Pixel devices. As you're typing, Gmail will suggest the ends of your sentences. You can swipe to approve Google's suggestions. Well, folks, I've got some bad news. Meizu's crowdfunding campaign has flopped. The company was going to introduce the world's first holeless phone because reasons. Meizu tried to raise $100,000 and managed to get around $46,000. If you still really want to hold this phone, try putting clay into your phone. I don't know why this would be a thing. Waymo is selling LiDAR sensors to companies outside of self-driving. What's the LiDAR system called? Laser Bear Honeycomb, of course. These are the same sensors found on the bumpers of Waymo's self-driving cars. If you're in the market for your own Laser Bear Honeycomb, head to waymo.com/LiDAR. And finally, OnLeaks posted renders of what it says is the OnePlus 7. If you wanted a notch, forget it. The 7 looks like it will have a pop-up front-facing camera. On the back, there are 3 cameras in a vertical setup. On to Comment Cove. This is the part of the show where we shine a spotlight at the most amazing audience in the world, you guys. Kroby Nick asks, do you think an under-screen selfie camera will be ready next year? Great question. I hope so, but I'd imagine we're still a few years away from that. Talking about the Galaxy S10, Gtone 339 says, finger scanner placement in the front screen should be larger in future devices. Hey Gtone, I've heard that one of the goals is to make the bottom half of the screen act as a fingerprint sensor. Here's a shout out to CK Stars. I read every single one of your comments to feature on Comment Cove, so thanks to everyone for writing in. If you've enjoyed your stay in Alphabet City, please like and subscribe. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, and I'll see you online. So you're still here, huh? One more bit of news then. YouTube just released new filters for YouTube Stories. Enjoy your virtual glasses, people.